Let's see how to solve this question. The given sequence is 7, 10, 8, 11, 9, 12, question mark. Options are 7, 10, 12, 13. We can solve this question in two methods. Let's see first method. Now analyze the sequence step by step. Step 1. Identify two alternating sequences. The given sequence alternates between two patterns. Let's separate them. Odd positions, first, third, fifth numbers, which means 7, 8, 9, and question mark in the sequence. Next, even positions, second, fourth, sixth numbers, which means 10, 11, 12 in the sequence. Step 2. Analyze the first sequence, odd sequence, 7, 8. The pattern here is an increase of 1 each time. So, the next number after 9 would be 9 plus 1 equals 10. Step 3. Analyze the second sequence, even sequence, 10, 11, 12. The numbers are increasing by 1 each time as well. This part of the sequence already ends at 12, and it follows the pattern. Step 4. Combine the sequences. Now combine the two sequences. The odd position numbers are increasing by 1, and the even position numbers are also increasing by 1. The next number in the odd position after 9 is 10. So, the next number in the sequence is 10. Now let's solve by using the second method. Given sequence is 7, 10, 8, 11, 9, 12, question mark. Start with 7. The first number is 7. Add 3. 7 plus 3 equals 10. This is the second number. Subtract 2. 10 minus 2 equals 8. This is the third number. Add 3. 8 plus 3 equals 11. This is the fourth number. Subtract 2. 11 minus 2 equals 9. This is the fifth number. Add 3. 9 plus 3 equals 12. This is the sixth number. By observing this, we can know that this sequence is following adding 3 and subtracting 2 pattern. Now we find the next number. Subtract 2. 12 minus 2 equals 10. So, the answer is 10.